Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make whole lobster. First, select live lobsters, ideally weighing between 1 1/4 and 2 pounds each. Look for active lobsters with hard shells, indicating freshness. Before cooking, gather your tools, a very large pot, sturdy tongs, and a sharp knife. Proper preparation ensures a delicious meal. Now let's cook your lobster. You can either boil or steam them. For boiling, fill a large pot with water, adding 2 tablespoons of salt per gallon. Bring it to a rolling boil. For steaming, use a rack above 1 or 2 inches of water. Steam for 8 to 12 minutes or boil for 7 to 15 minutes until the shell is bright red and the meat is opaque. Once cooked, it's time to crack and clean your lobster. Carefully twist off the large claws and the tail from the body. Use a nutcracker or the back of a heavy knife to crack the shells. Gently pull out the sweet meat. Remember to remove the dark intestinal vein from the tail. You can also discard the greenish tomelli and red coral if you prefer. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious whole lobster. Serve it immediately with small bowls of warm, melted unsalted butter and fresh lemon wedges for dipping. Classic side dishes like corn on the cob, a crisp coleslaw, or roasted potatoes complement the meal perfectly. Savor the rich, sweet flavor of your perfectly prepared lobster. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.